How you been? It's been a while since I've seen your face. I just wanna know that you're doing okay. Miss my friend.
Summer days are blending in a sweaty haze. I miss my friends today, but my head is far away from giving me the dopamine I need.
I miss my friends today. Feeling the cliche. You don't know what you got till it's
You
gone.
don't know what you got till it's gone.
Clinging to memories. There's no other remedies to resolve what I'm feeling right
Don't know
now.
what I'm feeling right now.
Goodbyes are bittersweet. You can't offer reality. We all have to get a move on.
We gotta move on.
But take this loud and clear, and maybe again next year. I wish the world took its time with us.
I miss my friends today, and all these summer days are blending in a sweaty haze. I miss my friends today, but my head is far away from giving me the dopamine I need.
My God.
Dopamine is trapped inside a bubble that's so deep in me. Pump it with a needle so I feel the need. Pick up my phone and text all the people I know. 'Cause it's not the fact that I lost what I had back. We're all growing up way too fast together. We can touch base whenever again. Until then, I say again that I miss my friends.
I miss my friends today. Feeling the cliche. You don't know what you got till it's
You don't know
gone.
what you got till it's gone.
Clinging to memories. There's no other remedies to resolve what I'm feeling right now.
I'm feeling right now.
Goodbyes are bittersweet. You can't offer
deep in me. Pop it with a needle so I speak to me. Pick up my phone and text all the people I knew. Cause it's not the fact that I lost what I had rather. We're all growing up way too fast together. We can touch base whenever again. Until then I say again that I miss my friends. I miss my friends today. And all these summer days are blending in a sweaty haze. I miss my friends today, but my head is far away from giving me the dopamine I need.
I miss my friends today, feeling under the shade. You don't know what you got till it's
Don't know
gone.
what you got till it's gone.
Clinging to memories, there's no other remedies to resolve what I'm feeling right now.
Feeling right
Goodbyes are bittersweet. You can't avoid reality. We all have to get a move on.
we gotta move on.
But take this loud and clear, and maybe again next year. Push the clock to kiss on the door.
Dopamine is trapped inside a bubble that's so deep in me. Pop it with. We're all growing up way too fast together. We can touch base whenever again, but till then I'll say again that I miss my friends. I miss my friends today, and all these summer days are blending in a sweaty haze. In a sweaty